Hello children, welcome back to chemistry class. I hope everybody is fine at home and you have enjoyed your holidays. Okay, so in class 11th we are going to start online class because government has not allowed us to take physical class. So we thought it is better to start online class. Otherwise, there will be a big loss of students. So as you promoted in class 10, it will not happen in class 12. So you have to study in class 11. So many students cleared the exam and is promoted. I hope all students are happy with this result because they have not done anything for this and they are very happy to get promoted by government. Okay. But here we will discuss chemistry. Okay. So in class 10th you have one book, that is science. In science you have seen that physics, chemistry and biology were there, but in 11th you will see physics, chemistry and biology. Three subjects are there and separately you have to study. So I hope you are ready for that. That's why you have taken admission. Okay. So in chemistry, if you see here, chemistry in class 11, okay, here you will study. So I was talking in class 11 chemistry, you have two books. Two books. Book first and book second. Like this also you have in biology and chemistry also. Two books you have. So I am going to start second. I am going to start second book, and in my opinion chemistry is the easiest subject. It is very easy subject. If you will be with me, you will feel it. So chemistry is very easy subject. Don't worry about this because you are with me. I am there. So don't. And one point there, if you have doubt, you ask anytime, you can comment. My channel name, Chemistry Mission Sir. If you have any query, you can comment on that. So, first question arising that, who is father of chemistry? Who is father of chemistry? So, father of chemistry, must know, father of chemistry. Father of chemistry is Antonio. We can say Antonio Lavoisier. He is father of chemistry. Antonio Lavoisier is father of chemistry. He was born 26 August 1743 in Paris. Paris means France, and died on 5th May 17 94 in France, Paris. So who is father of chemistry? Antoine Lavoisier is the father of chemistry. This is this. And in chemistry, what do we study? So in chemistry we study properties of the substances, like that, physical, chemical. Okay, so this is the very normal point. So let us see here what we are going to start. So I think it is clear that properties, base chemical composition we can take, density, etc. we can take. Okay. So who is father of chemistry? Father of chemistry is Antonio Lavoisier is the father of chemistry. Let us begin our chapter without being late. So I will start second. Which book? I will study book second. In book second, I am going to start. This is Redox reaction. What is chapter name is? Redox reaction. Chapter name is Redox reaction. This is chapter name. So why do we study redox reaction? Okay, we use different things. That is being found by the redox reaction. Okay, like that, burning of food is the redox reaction. Is it redox reaction? Many chemicals that we used are made by redox reaction. Many metals, non-metals are extracted from their ore by redox reaction. Okay, hydrogen economy, you know that, and ozone layer formation is also a redox reaction. So here our first topic is classical idea of redox reaction, oxidation and reduction. So our first topic is classical idea of redox reaction. Classical idea of redox. Okay, let us see here. Before we discuss this, we will discuss oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. What is oxidation? What is oxidation? Here, in my point of view, oxidation is composed of two words. Oxidation plus addition. Oxidation plus addition. Okay, means we can divide it. Oxy means oxidation, addition means addition. What you got? Oxidation, addition. So on this basis we can define. What we can define? addition of oxygen to an element or compound is known as oxidation. Sorry students, known as oxidation. Okay. Yeah. One point I would like to remind you: oxidation is what type of element? Oxidation. Yeah, sorry. Addition of oxygen. Oxygen is what type of? Or we can, what is the nature of oxygen? So oxygen is electronegative. So here we can write some example of oxidation here. This is oxidation. Okay, this is oxidation. Here, oxidation, if I write S plus O2 forms SO. This is oxidation. Here one point you have to remember there. If you write state of matter, please don't get it solid state, it is in gaseous state. So you have studied this in class 10. Okay. If you see some more questions here, some more example I am writing here, like that: CH4 plus O2, CO2 plus H2, CO2 plus H2. I am balancing here. Okay, so like this. Another example I am taking here. Another example, H2S. Examples of oxidation. So one point we were discussing there, that what is the nature of oxidation? Oxygen is electronegative in nature. Electronegative in nature. So here, what we can say? We can say that addition of oxygen, instead of oxygen we can write electronegative element. What? So under definition we can get addition of electronegative element to an element or to compound is known as oxidation. Here, so one more example I will write here. Let us see. So what we got here? Addition of electronegative element to an element or compound is known as oxidation. Oxidation. So here on this basis we can define as here. Okay. One more point we will get from here. What is that? What is that? That is electropositive. So one point we got, addition of electronegative element or removal of electropositive element is known as oxidation. In simple word, it can be defined as simple word. Addition of electronegative element or removal of electropositive element, addition of electronegative element or removal of electropositive. So students, addition of electronegative element to a substance or a removal of electropositive element, removal of electropositive element from a substance is known as oxidation. You might have understood this. Okay. So let us see here. This is oxidation. Here one point we can see here, electronegative element may be oxygen, chlorine, sulfur, etc. Here removal of electropositive elements may be hydrogen, magnesium, sodium, means electropositive element, etc. Yeah, you have to remember it. Okay, students. So if we define a reduction, is opposite of oxidation. It may be defined as is addition of addition of electropositive elements to a substance or removal of oxygen from a substance is known as reduction. Okay, known as reduction. Here let us see 2HCl Hg plus O3. Hg plus we can balance it. 2Hg. This is reduction. Okay. Here next we write 2FeCl3 plus SnCl2. 2FeCl3 plus we can write it 2FeCl3 plus H2. 2FeCl2 plus okay. Another example I am taking here 2HgCl2 plus SnCl2. Here changing Hg2Cl2 plus SnCl4. So if we see last example here, this last example here Hg plus 2 here. This one is losing one electronegative element. This one is losing two electronegative elements. So here it is a reduction. What is reduction? And SnCl2 getting two electronegative to Cl. This is oxidation. Okay. So here what you have seen here, you've seen that upside is oxidation here, SnCl2 changing to SnCl4, getting two electronegative element, that is oxidation. Here this one 2HgCl2 is changing to Hg2Cl2. Okay. So here reduction. Some students may be confused about this. Total Cl2, total Cl4. There 2 2s are 4, but here only 2. So that molecule is losing 2 chloride. Here this molecule is getting 2 chloride. If you see here, this is the example of redox. This is example of redox. So what you got here? This reaction in which simultaneously a reaction in which simultaneously oxidation and reduction takes place. A reaction in which, students, a reaction in which simultaneously oxidation and reduction takes place, known as redox reaction. Known as redox reaction. If I break it redox here. So in my opinion, redox can be broken into RED and OX. RED means reduction and OX means oxidation. So here, what you got? You got what is redox reaction? It is mainly used in our life. When you use many chemical reaction, in different type of chemicals are being prepared by redox reaction. So then, if you have understood whatever I taught, please subscribe my channel, Chemistry with Shampoo Sir. If you want any query, any doubt, you can comment on my channel, Chemistry with Shampoo Foundation. Okay, so you can comment on my channel. You will get answer of that questions. Okay, thank you so much.